And to end our news bulletin for tonight, this weekend, the village of Mutala will host their annual show day. But Monday morning this week, the handcraft women of the village displayed their products. Mutala women are well known for the best hats and mats, and this year they display the same dedication to the handcraft products. Even more special for the village this year is the fact that many of their relatives travelled in for the show and one of the village's events next Wednesday. The village council and people of Mutala would like to extend their invitation to their annual show day to everyone on the island. Hanata tola tau wala tala te tupu ke lata ia moe awhiawhinei na wha moe mawhala. Ka tuku atu whoki e tau manatu whakalofa ke mga whaua ha silafi tahenga ha koia ne ukioki mai ke he aho i ne awhi. That's our news bulletin for tonight. Good evening.